Anong busy dito?
Wika kay Ate Beth.
May taya. Anong taya?
Ay, mali siya. Si Ate Corazon.
Sa pulang sa payag mo.
Okay, Hana. Okay. Ako din, boy na lang ako, 5.
Boy, bakit nakapink ka? Unfair. Bakit gano'n?
Ay, ito pa hindi na kaya.
Go! Gasing station!
Oh, winner.
Disqualify!
Bakit mo binaba?
You're kasi she's not done chewing! She's not done chewing!
No, we are not. Let's follow! Let's follow! Follow!
There's a chance! Jackie did not finish the
Yes, sir! There's a one!
Oh, panalo daw sila!
Gotta swallow!
Okay!
Maribel and Ate Beth!
Sige!
$1 becomes 10.
Ay, ang galing. Times 2.
Times 2.
Ah, magaling pa sa crypto.
Yes, I did.
Siguro na. Siguro ulit.
Ayan. Wow. Ano to, Ben?
I did.